Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Saksham Gupta, a first year triple undergrad at BITS Pilani campus. Friends, and I feel really grateful for the never-ending support that you have always showered upon my channel. Friends, and I seriously hope that you will keep on further doing so. So friends, in this today's exotic video, I have brought a very interesting topic. Actually, today we are going to discuss about a website called Chegg. Yeah friends, you heard it right, Chegg. Actually, it's quite a very popular website in the college-going students. So basically, if you're not aware of this, let me introduce you to this very interesting and very famous website. See, this Chegg is kind of a doubt counter in which students post their doubts. So basically, you got it right that now you have to solve their doubts. You have to provide them solutions, and for each solution you provide them, the website Chegg provides you with some amount of money. See, the amount of money depends on the subject which you have chosen and how many questions you answered. So whatever number of questions you answered, that basic amount gets multiplied to that number only. Friends, Chegg is quite a popular website among college students because friends, it fulfills their need of pocket money as a side hustle because you are not investing a lot many hours. So the very money which you get is kind of bonus along with some studies. So after playing with your friends, you can definitely come to this website and just invest in some time and your knowledge so that you can get some side pocket money. So friends, today in this video we will be going into my laptop screen and I'll be showing you how to fill up this very form. So friends, let's just straight away move into my laptop screen and just check out how to fill the various particulars. So friends, you just need to go to the Google and you need to enter Chegg expert registration. You need to fill it over there. And this first link, Chegg India, make sure that you are clicking on Chegg India only. So when you will click on Chegg India, there will be a sign up form like this. So friends, you need to give your email ID. For explaining sort of thing, I have just made a random email ID verified and got it verified by Google. So my email ID is jackandjill@gmail.com. You need to click on I accept to receiving emails and you need to click on the submit button. See friends, I am directed to this page because I have filled it prior. Newbies and the beginner, you won't be just directly coming to this page. Friends, actually you would be coming to a prelim page on which you are supposed to verify your email. Basically, they will be sending a code to your email ID and you need to go to your email and you need to click on that code and then you will be redirected to this page. So when this page will open up, friends, you need to click on this registration button. On this registration button, friends, you need to give your name, mobile number, email ID, select subjects. Now friends, over here you need to fill the subject of your choice, whether it's accounting, whether it's advanced math, advanced physics, biology, calculus, chemical engineering, chemistry. A lot of subjects are there, so whatever suits you, just go ahead with it. And then you need to just click on submit after filling all the particulars, and then and friends, then you would be required to give a test. See, over here it is written subject test. Actually friends, this is a subject test related to the subject which you have entered just now. So friends, there will be a test in which you are supposed to score 80%. Yeah, it seems a quite lot, but seriously it's not that tough. If you are having a good command over your subject, then it will be a piece of cake for you. And friends, there are 2 attempts to be done, so don't be panic if you just didn't get it in the first attempt. You are always getting a second attempt. Moreover friends, so friends, next is download guidelines. Actually friends, the Chegg will be telling you like what you are supposed to do in certain circumstances, like whether if a question is spam or whether you have to ignore a question, or how to respond to students and all that kind of stuff which you are supposed to be doing while answering the questions. They will be telling you in the guideline section. So you need to go through it well because they will be asking you for a guideline test. See, it's not tough, it's quite easy and you are getting 3 attempts to do so you will easily ace it. And then there's a degree verification. If you are a 12th pass out, then definitely you will be giving your high school degree, and if you are a college pass out, then your college degree will work. Then bank verification for the fact that they will be paying you money, so they will be requiring your banking details. Proof of address, mobile verification, and friends, you are done with this. After this, submitting this application, you will be required to wait for a couple of weeks maybe. And if you are selected, then they will be definitely informing you via an email. And friends, if you are selected, then congratulations, you are ready to answer the questions from whenever they tell you to start. So thank you friends, this was what I all wanted to share in this video. I hope my message was clear and you got to know everything. If you still have any doubts, then leave your doubts in the comment section below. I will definitely try to answer those. Thank you friends.